Hi guys, this is CAT 2019 slot 1 VARC section analysis. In this video, I am going to take you through a quick synopsis of passage 1, and in subsequent videos I am going to deal with questions based on passage 1. Stay tuned for detailed explanations, detailed solutions. So this was clearly a difficult passage. Author introduces an idea of anti-scrape in the first paragraph, which means a yearning to return to pre-industrial golden age. And then he takes a transition and starts talking about folk as a representative of that golden age, pre-industrial golden age, which has today become a disputed territory, a conflicting territory. So this is a summary of the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, author explains how folk has become a disputed territory. He talks about the dichotomous nature of folk. It is at once fashionable and unfashionable, at once hip and staid, new chic, stylish, and antiquated. Rather than new, I should say contemporary, that is belonging to modern times, as well as antiquated. So this is a dichotomous nature of folk, the dual nature of folk. In third paragraph, just marking the right words for you here in the second paragraph. Now, in the third paragraph, author talks about Cecil's view and says that folk has always been in a state of flux, which led to its hybridization with rock. So it kept changing. Eventually, it got imbued with elements of rock. And this last paragraph then talks about the golden age of the newfound genre folk rock, and how this golden age was short-lived. And today, all that remains of folk in the form of memories the equivalent is recorded music and television. So this is the broad summary, synopsis of this passage, guys. Ready to deal with questions? Watch the next videos for detailed solutions to questions now.